In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang change in state of delivery. Okay, so same thing kung paano tayo mag-trade the 2022 model. Okay, we wait for liquidity grab sa old highs or old lows or either continuation. Okay, mag-fill siya ng fair value gap before siya mag-break. Okay, magkaroon ng displacement. Okay, pag break niya yung structure, no, magandang displacement. Okay, so ganito yung model na yan. So mag-grade muna siya or it's either mag-fill ng FVG, tapos after niya mag-fill ng FVG, bumagsak siya. Now ang ginagawa natin, inantay natin market structure shift, tapos pumapasok tayo saan? Okay, doon sa FVG, OTE, breaker block. Okay, pero dito sa CSD, it's more on candle. It's the candle, yung candle na nag-take or nag-fill ng fair value gap before bumagsak. Yun yung kukunin natin as the change in state of delivery candle. Okay, it's more on candle. Now, pag nakuha mo na yung na-identify mo na yung candle na yun, yung nag-fill ng fair value gap or nag-take ng liquidity grab, saka kukunin mo siya, then you will enter doon. Yan, mag-entry ka saan yan. Then stop loss just above. Then look for 1:2. Just look for 1:2. Yan, 1:2. RR. Then you're good. Be consistent with your trade. Now, sige, punta tayo sa chart mismo. So this is a continuation. Makikita natin dito. Okay. So meron tayong gap dito. Okay, meron tayong gap. So, meron din tayong gap dito. Fair value gap. Okay. So, volume imbalance, meron tayo niyan. So, ang ginawa ng market, okay, anong structure nito? Low, low, high, and low. Okay. Now, before siya nag-shift dito or nag-break of structure, sino dito sa candles na to ang nag-take ng liquidity? Yung candle na yon is ito. Yan, yung candle na yan. Okay? This candle. Okay? Finil niya yung gap. Okay? Then, bumagsak. Okay, finil niya yung gap, then bumagsak. Siya ngayon yung magiging change in state of delivery natin. Now, when you use change in state of delivery, you use the open. Yung open or yung close ng candle. Huwag nyong i-consider yung wick. Okay, so after that, anong nangyari? So you can see dito. Okay. Then, look for liquidities. Kita nyo dito, very open. Okay, we can use that as our target. Okay, we can use that as our target. Okay, so ganyan. This is your CSD candle. Okay. Another good example is ito. No, bago nagkaroon ng change of character after filling this fair value gap. Okay, anong nangyari? Tinake. Okay. Sino ang nag-take? Sinong candle? Mostly pag order block trade lang, ito yung kukunin nyo. Or yung iba, fair value gap entry, ito yung kukunin nyo. Tama? Ito yung kukunin nyo. Well, mahihit naman at mahihit pa rin, no? Pero when we talk about change in state of delivery, okay. Sino yung candle na nag-take ng sino ang candle na nag-grade? Okay. Itong candle na to. Okay. Tapos bigla siyang, after that, bumaba siya. Okay. So, itong candle na to na nag-take ng raid, okay, kunin nyo yung open niya, kasi bearish naman. Then, pull it there. Put your entry. Stop loss just above. Then, target. Okay, where's your target? It's either itong low na to. Okay. So, sige, itong low na lang na to yung kunin natin. Ito, yan. Yan. So, there you go. This is the change in state of delivery. Okay. Doon kayo hanap ng entry ninyo. Or, yun yung kukunin yung entry, yung CCD candle. So, ayos ba? So, sana may natutunan kayo. Yun lang. Change in state of delivery. Peace out.